Trying to go inside your shirt.
Is it okay?
He was. Oh, snakes do that.
Okay. When you're too cuddly, they like to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Gotta be careful with him. Remember, you can't say anything if you're hurting him. I think he likes you.
Him.
Aww.
I don't like being pet.
Yes, he does. He does too. Yes, he does.
Hey, I don't like being carded.
He's a little snake.
What's up?
He's longer than what I thought he was, though. He's trying to go up in your, by your neck.
Yes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's trying to get loose.
What that means?
He's trying to sneak away.
No.
He wants to go.
No, you
You
can't
better
go.
put him back in the box. Put him back in the box gently. Don't hold him too tight. Don't squeeze him. You can't squeeze him. You want to let go of him?
Until it gets off my finger.